morning. Good morning. Good morning. 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 Buenos días. Buenos días. Buenos días. 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 Y hola a todo el mundo. ¿Cómo están? Okay, this is tiring. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all doing good. Adam just woke up and I have a lot of energy. Should we change your diapers and change your clothes for the day? Besito para mami. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What'd you do? Guys, orange, this one piece, or should we do 2 pieces? Because look at the bottom. I mean, this is to die for. I love this. I think I'm gonna go for this. Adam, do you like your outfit, Poppy? Do you like what you're wearing? Yeah? Oh my God, guys. So I don't know who said Florida's the spot to go in the summertime. Whoever said that is lying to you guys. It is extremely hot. So hot in Florida right now, and it rains nonstop, which it kind of helps with the heat, but it's just so like yucky, icky, sticky. Like it's not the vibes. It kind of reminds me of Dubai in the summertime. Yes, extremely hot. And if we plan an outing, it's to go somewhere with AC, not like to a park or the beach, because don't nobody have time for that. It's so hot. Plus us hijabis, like this is not our season right now. I can't wait for the fall and the winter and spring, because that's when the weather is so beautiful and it's easier for hijabis. I'm going through it, as you can tell. But look at Adam's outfit. Are you still tired? Bobby, are you still tired? Oh my goodness. So something very exciting is that we just got the green light to feed Adam baby cereal for the first time. So we talked to his pediatrician. We decided it's time to feed him baby cereal because, guys, Adam has shown interest in food since he was how young? How young? How old?
This kid's like, we're talking about him like he's like 5 years old. I would say between 3 to 4 months, closer to 4 months.
Yeah.
He's definitely shown food.
So as soon as he turned 4 months, I kid you not, as soon as Muhammad or whoever was in front of him is drinking or eating, he automatically would stop what he's doing and just watch.
Stare. And it doesn't even matter what it is. It could be a chocolate bar. It could be a protein shake. It can, like,
water.
If it's liquid or solids that we're consuming, he just drops what he's looking. He just looks at us like that and starts drooling.
Yes, but it wasn't until like last week that he started reaching.
Yes. Yeah.
Like as soon as I would like open something and I'm about to put it in my mouth, he would stop, look at me, and reach like for the item, not even for like me. He would just do this, and I'm like, oh my God, he understands food, or he's just like interested.
Yes, he definitely wants food. And we asked around, and different, like, I guess like different generations did it differently. Like my mom and Omaya's mom, they started us on food way earlier.
Yeah.
But we just kind of wanted to go ahead and ask the doctor, and he said, yeah, you guys could start them off little bits of cereal. So we're gonna get started with the baby cereal. We actually ordered some in.
So because we were flirting with the idea of giving Adam cereal, we actually made an order through iHerb and got him baby cereal. This is just perfect timing. We got the green light from his pediatrician, we got the box from iHerb, and now we're gonna show you guys the stuff that we bought for Adam and also for us.
Yeah, we got some stuff
snacks
too,
for us. So let's open it up.
Let's go. Yes.
Okay, let's see all the stuff that we got from iHerb. Okay, so I'm really excited about this. Cookies to help with milk production, because I've noticed my milk has decreased recently.
Yeah.
And it's so sad because Adam is always hungry.
He doesn't care if there's a shortage. He's like, I want my food and I want it now. And then Omaya's like,
I'm like, wait a second. I can only produce so much, right? TMI. But anyways, for all the mamas out there who are experiencing the same thing as me, you're not alone. That's why I'm really excited to feed Adam cereal, because I feel like they'll relieve some stress.
A hole in his stomach maybe more.
Milk.
It's some sort of solid, or it's more solid than the milk.
Yeah.
So hopefully that calms his hunger down a little bit.
It's supposed to increase your milk production, so I'm actually gonna bake this today, and I'm so excited.
Yes.
Okay, next.
So this is what I'm excited about too. So we also got some Popchips. Here, 2 different flavors. We got aged white cheddar and barbecue. These are like amazing. If you've never tried them, like I suggest you guys do. They're not fried, so it gives you a little bit better feeling when you're eating them because they're not oily. So, and they have different flavors.
My favorite one is the original. It's just sea salt. It's so good. It goes with everything. I sometimes put it in my sandwiches.
And it's good because it has a little good crunch. You can put them in like in a in a sandwich.
Yeah. I've never tried this one.
The barbecue?
Yeah, I've never. Should we try it?
Yeah. I mean, I'll finish the whole bag right now.
I mean, I didn't pick this. This was Olmo.
Look, they're vegan. They're gluten free. They're not fried. Like, you can eat them all day.
It smells healthy.
It's still good though. Just smell that.
Oh, it has a little kick.
They're dangerous.
Try this one. And honestly, what I love about iHerb is that they offer over 30,000 products, and it varies in different categories like sport nutrition, supplements, baby products, beauty,
pets.
Yeah, literally pets. Everything that you will need, you can find in the iHerb website. What do you think about this?
It's good.
You like the barbecue more?
Yeah, my favorite.
I'm gonna order some protein.
Looking at their website, I saw that they had a sports and nutrition section. So I clicked on it and I saw that they had whey protein. Again, if you like work out or you just want to have like maybe like a meal on the go, whey protein is like a really good substitute for that, especially after working out.
And this is the California Gold Nutrition Sports brand, which is the iHerb brand.
Yeah.
And every product that iHerb sells is stored and exclusively shipped by iHerb. And another cool thing about using iHerb is that they have a great rewards program where you can earn credit by simply referring a friend, a family member, or even just reviewing their products. And then you can simply cash out if you earn $100 or more.
That's cool.
All of iHerb's products are shipped from climate control fulfillment centers to ensure their quality. And the next product that I ordered for my milk supply to increase is the legendary Milk Liquid Gold tablets. These are so good. I've actually had this before and they worked really well. And then when my supply went up, I stopped using it, and then I noticed there was a decrease all over again. Now for the very last product that we ordered.
This guy right here.
Adam's baby first cereal. Okay, this is Earth's Best Organic Whole Grain Oatmeal Cereal.
You have the setup going?
Yeah,
Show them how we're gonna feed him?
He's been very quiet. He's been such a good boy, like right in front of us, just like, what's going on? Just staring at us. Another thing about iHerb is that they offer a 90-day money-back guarantee on all of iHerb's brands. For whatever reason you're not satisfied with what you purchased, then you have 90 days to return as long as it's iHerb brand. And then look at this, Poppy. Look what we got for you. Aduni. Are you excited to have baby cereal? Adam, Poppy.
He's grabbing it too.
¿Quieres cereal, mi amor? Okay, so let's read the instructions. For baby's first feeding, mix 1 tablespoon of dry cereal with 3 to 4 tablespoons of breast milk or formula. Increase liquid to reach desired consistency. Gradually increase serving amount over the next several feedings. Okay, cool. 1, 2, 3. Look at this amount. It's like so little. I don't know how he's gonna be full off of this. And be sure to use my discount code for 20% off to all new customers and 15% off to all existing. And also don't forget to check out the description box for all links of the products mentioned in today's video. Now, Adam, are you ready for your food, Papa?
Oh yeah, he's ready.
Are you ready? Let me get the chair for you, Papi.
Uh-oh, now you're ready to eat at the cafeteria. Little bits. Okay, Adam. Adam. Oh.
Oh my God,
Smiling.
Ay, qué rico. Qué cosa más sabrosa.
He like wants to look at the bowl, but he doesn't want to eat it.
Qué cosa más sabrosa.
Just a little bit.
He's almost done.
Yeah.
Está rico, Papa. Do you love it?
There you go.
Do you love it, cosa hermosa? Yes, he loves it.
Here you go. Just grabbing with his other arm, both arms. Oh, okay.
Okay, so I think Adam is a fan of baby cereal.
Yeah, he's
Happy, you're so cute, Habibi, mashallah.
Alhamdulillah.
Qué cosa más bella mami tiene. You did it, you did it. Lo hicimos.
There you go. Now we're just gonna clean this up. You no more. You no more. You no more. No more. انت اكلت كل اكلك يا حاج. مفيش خلاص يا معلم.
ما في خلاص يا معجم. Did I say right? So since we're getting ready to go out, I wanted to quickly show you what I keep in Adam's diaper bag. So let's start with the outside. I like to leave my vitamins in the back side of the pocket for easy access. And I also like to have a travel size lotion with me. So when you open this up, then you'll see that I have a changing pad. This is a must. I carry this with me wherever we go. Some diapers. I'm actually running low on diapers. I should probably add some more. I also have some baby wipes with me, baby perfume, and a water spray. Now this is important. In the case that Adam has a poopy diaper and there is no water near me, this is what I like to spray him with. So after using the wipes, I'll end with some water and just make sure that there's no poop residue anywhere around his butt. This is essential. I also have ointment for him in case he gets irritated. Ya, papa, ya nos vamos. I have my wireless breast pump with me wherever I go. I also carry some extra outfits for Adam. I usually like to have like 3 to 4, but since we're just going to one spot, I'm just going to bring 2 outfits just in case. The charger for the breast pump. I have extra pacifiers and a burp cloth, and that's it. That's all I have in Adam's diaper bag. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go, Bobby? Let's go. I did my makeup very quickly because we're gonna go out to get something to eat. And maybe after that, go grab some boba. I've been obsessed with this new spot that opened up in Tampa in the Midtown area. It's called Midtown Boba. And they, hands down, they make the best boba I've ever had, ever. It's so refreshing. It's so good. Are you ready? Are you ready, Mama?
Let's go. Let's get out of here.
Why you look so mad? Let's go. So we were supposed to get down and eat and have this really cute like family day out, but Adam decided to sleep, which I'm very thankful for. I love when he sleeps, when he's napping, because that gives us some time to ourselves.
Yeah, to just relax.
Yeah, so we just decided to grab some food from Fresh Kitchen and eat it in the car instead, and play a podcast while we're eating. Oh my god, Mohammed's bowl is literally gonna break. Look, the lid is off. It's just a lot of food. Your bowl looks so messy.
Okay, don't judge me.
No, I'm totally judging. Where do you begin to say what you ordered?
I got broccoli, double noodles, guac, and barbecue chicken.
That's it?
And sauce.
And sauce, a lot of sauce. I have chickpeas, guac, spinach, some pico de gallo, and also some rice underneath this entire bowl.
Take these cases serious. Like we put out Finding Tamika, you know, because of situations like this. You know, Finding Tamika is about a woman named Tamika Houston who went missing in South Carolina in the early 2000s. Her case is what sparked the Black and Missing Foundation.